Hi, welcome back. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I have some leftover spaghetti, just plain noodles, and I don't want to just throw that out, right? So I'm gonna create a new dish for it. So I'm gonna saute it in some garlic and butter and some herbs and seasoning, and take a taste on that and see how that tastes and see what else I have to add to it so that I can incorporate that into my next dish. Okay, waste not, want not, right? All right, so I'm going to adjust the camera. We're going to get started, shall we? Thank you. Okay, so I already melted a half a stick of butter and some garlic. I used 3 cloves of garlic. I ground it up fine and then put it in here, okay? So that's what we got going on in the frying pan right here. Alright, so I just melted it down a little. So that's our half a stick of butter, as I said, and 3 cloves of garlic, okay? Alright, so we're going to put that on the stove. We're going to turn the stove on. You can have it on high, it's okay. Now to the butter mixture, I want to add some parsley. I want to add quite a bit of parsley. Okay, that's about maybe, I'd say, 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add some celery salt. It's about a teaspoon. And some pepper, just sprinkle that as you desire. Black pepper. Okay. And did I show you the celery salt? Make sure you've seen the celery salt. So that's all the items that I have in here, okay? Alright, now we're going to add our pasta. I'm going to give that a stir. Okay, now we're going to add our pasta. This is pasta, like I said, I had leftover spaghetti that I cooked the other night for a spaghetti dinner, and the sauce is gone, so I'm going to utilize this. Alright, so I'm going to put the spaghetti in there. And we're going to call this garlic spaghetti. Okay, so I have 2 spoons, as you can see, okay, to mix it up like this, sauteing it. Looking good, but I think I need some more butter. So I'm going to go ahead and add maybe, what is that, a tablespoon and a half of butter. And mix that in. We don't want it dry. Oh, that's looking good. Okay, let's take a taste and see what's going on. I need some salt. Okay, and I'm going to add some more black pepper. didn't show you the sea salt. Okay, and you know I already showed you the black pepper. Okay, get another fork. And let's taste that. Oh, delicious. We're done. So, as you can see, that took maybe 5 minutes. Uh-oh. Stirring it all out the pot. Okay, so let me plate up and take a taste for you. I'm going to show you my face so you can see me eating. Okay, so this is our garlic spaghetti. Okay, let's taste. I think the next time, instead of having plain spaghetti, I'm gonna do the garlic herb pasta like this because it tastes so good. It really, really tastes good. Okay, this was a quickie. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. And let me give you the word of the day. Waste not, want not, because you may not have one day, right? And if we utilize what we have left over, we can stretch our dollar, correct? So this garlic herb pasta was free, absolutely free, because I already used it in another dish. It was left over. Hey, who can't use a free thing, right? All right, so this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. I thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Bye-bye.